Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you all how I did these mini twists on my natural hair while it was wet. So one reason why I'm doing these mini twists on wet hair is because I feel like I just got like a silk press and I be wanting to like be a straight natural, but then again, I really do be caring about my curls too at the same time. So it's been really hard to try to find the balance. But today we are really focusing on moisture. So I'm going in with this Matrix leave-in spray that you all saw me use in my last video. I'm also going to top it with another leave-in conditioner by Design Essentials because this cold weather has been doing a number on my hair. When I tell you my hair has been dry, it has been dry. So I'm making sure that I'm focusing a lot on moisture today for this hairstyle because I've been kind of noticing that after about 2 to 3 days, my hair has been like a little crispy, meaning it just needs more moisture, and having to like re-moisturize throughout the week has been kind of like a routine of mine recently. So today I'm just making sure we're just getting these products in these hair strands and making sure that every strand is coated. So right now I'm just focusing on the leave-in conditioners. We'll add in the twist out and braid out cream by Design Essentials once our entire head is moisturized with just the leave-in conditioners. Now that everything is prepped, nice and moisturized and detangled, we can hop into the twisting. For my twist, I am again going to be using my twist and braid out cream by Design Essentials from the same African Shebe line. I really hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, but if not, just let me know in the comments. As I am adding this twisting cream, I make sure that I thoroughly detangle with my comb. When you are doing mini twists or mini braids or whatever you're doing with protective styles, you want to make sure that your hair is detangled because first and foremost, your hair is going to shed. So if you're just twisting and not detangling and then your hair is shedding, it's just going to be a mess when you take these mini twists down. I am calling these mini twists, but I would say they're more like medium. Even though I absolutely love mini twists, I love them in all shapes and sizes. And whenever I am tired, guess what? It's going to be more medium than mini. So again, my main goal today was to make sure that my hair was moisturized and really juicy, and I'm making sure that I focus a lot on the ends. So as you all will see here, I'm twisting as closely down to the ends as possible and then giving it a coil around my finger. As much as possible, you want to make sure that you are kind of layering these twists as bricks, which basically means that you have a twist going into the previous part in the previous row. Really helps that make sense, but you just don't want any annoying gaps in the hair. And for me, it's really hard for me to not have one in the middle, so I try really hard at that. But here's what the back section is looking like. All of the twists are looking very moisturized, very juicy. That is exactly what I'm going for. Now we're moving on to the front. Of course, I am using that same twisting cream. The only product that I usually use that I did not use today was actually a mousse. I really like using mousses as a topper because they do provide some sort of hold, but it's not 100% necessary. The only reason why I did not use it is because I'm still out of the mousse, and every time I get ready to need a mousse, when I get ready to order it, it's not going to be in time for me to do my hair, so I end up just not using it at all. But it is a product that I will read up on because I think that will also be helpful in the winter. Another product that I'm thinking about reintroducing to my routine during this cold season is probably the Honey Hydrate Leave-In by Camille Rose Naturals. I really hope they still sell it and that it's still available on the shelves, because I did do a simple search like earlier today and I wasn't able to find it online. So maybe I just need to go digging deeper, but I really used to love that product for moisturizing my hair. This is what my hair is looking like once it is all twisted up. As you can see, I am happy because twists like this does take time. So when you get to the finish line, you get excited. And I like that I have movement, but of course I'm gonna do some air drying and sit up under the dryer for just a little bit. So here is what my hair is looking like once it is dry. As you all can see here, they're not stretched and my twists are a little shrunken, but I'm not going to stretch them at all. I'm just gonna let them be. My hair is a little bit shorter because I did get a couple of inches cut off just to make sure I got all of my split ends off recently. I am gonna put this Olaplex oil on top of my hair just to make sure that I have just a little bit of shine and bonding going on, because this is just a bonding oil. I probably should have had some sort of shine spray, but this will do for now. And I'm just making sure I coat all of my strands with this, as you all can see, being very diligent with this. I am going to go for a quick little style with these mini twists. As you all know, that when your hair is shrunken or you don't have much length, sometimes you can be a little bit limited in the styles that you can do, but if there's a will, there's a way. And I am just going to add a couple of bobby pins and pull some of these twists back out of my face for my comfort. And here is what my hair is looking like once it is all pinned back. This is definitely going to be a stress-free week as it pertains to getting ready in the morning, because I can just get up and go. As always, I hope you all enjoyed the video and found it useful. I can't wait to see you in the next one. See ya!